Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can rotate PDF file for free in Adobe Reader. Let's start. Open your PDF file. This is my PDF file, but unfortunately we need to rotate this file. So for that you have to go to these three dots and click on rotate page. When I click on rotate page, the Adobe Reader will ask me to subscribe for premium version. But don't worry, we can do it for free. Just you have to follow the simple step. Press the Control Shift right and plus button and it will rotate clockwise, right? Control Shift plus, it will rotate clockwise. If you press Control Shift minus, it will rotate anti-clockwise. So just press Control Shift plus and it's done. Now just press Control P and now select the Microsoft Print to PDF and click on print. And now just give name to your PDF file, PDF1, and click on save. Now it's done. Okay, now go to your file and open your file PDF1, and now it's done. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.